Welcome. I am Kath Smyth. I'm the horticulturist with the Calgary Horticultural Society, and we are going to talk about seniors gardening. A bit of advice is investing in ergonomic or lighter weight tools. I found myself with a heavyweight fork that I could barely move. So I have switched it out and have a much lighter weight fork. And what should I have looked at? I need to look at and looked at were ergonomic design. They have curved handles. The other thing that they have, as my friends all tell me, they have gription. So you can fit your fingers in the grooves, and it's got a brace for your thumb. So you're using it in a natural motion. It is also non-slip. And I like this 3-prong cultivator because it makes a good dent in the soil. And this lovely trowel, when you're doing planting, this trowel is just perfect. And you can do a lot of good scooping. Longer handles on some of your tools. I like the long-handled hose, but I like the lightweight stirrup hoe best of all. We're not trying to cultivate the soil deeply. We're just trying to keep it on a different, if you will, we want to keep it looser and easier to work with. And lightweight material. These ergonomic tools are aluminum, and they're very lightweight, yet they're very strong. There's no bend or give to them. And I will look at long-handled tools from the standpoint of, can I use them easily? I always try to find stirrup hoes with a twisting thing that I can lengthen them and shorten them. The other one that I like is when I'm going to carry around watering cans, and I'm going to refer to this again. When I'm carrying around watering cans and trying to water, I'm looking for lightweight, easy handles, and I want the nozzle to have a curve to it. Because when you go to pour water out and the can has the spout that goes straight out, the water shoots over the plants 9 times out of 10. And what we're trying to do is keep it at the base of the plant. So that's another tool that you can look at. And these lightweight, really good shape are perfect. And they also have a nice wide opening. So if you are saving water from a bucket, it pours quite easily and dips really easily. Thank you for watching. This has been Kath's Senior Gardening Tips. I hope that you enjoyed them, and I really appreciate you all watching and listening. Thank you.